Welcome to Jolly Star Learning, where education is exciting and every day is a new adventure. Join us as we explore letters, numbers, science, and more.
Hi, kids. Now it's time to play a fun game. Can you guess this action words? What do you think it is? Jumping. Great job. This is jumping. What do you think it is? Running. Great job. This is running. What do you think it is? Walking. Great job. This is walking. What do you think it is? Clapping. Great job. This is clapping. What do you think it is? Dancing. Great job. This is dancing. What do you think it is? Sitting. Great job. This is sitting. What do you think it is? Standing. Great job. This is standing. What do you think it is? Kicking. Great job. This is kicking. What do you think it is? Waving. Great job. This is waving.
Thank you for learning with Jolly Star Learning. Keep exploring, keep growing, and we'll see you next time.